childish? How about you guys act your age and not your shoe size? Jesus.
Dude,
Okay,
my
whatever.
shoe size is 15.
Holy
And what? And you're 16?
yeah. Like,
No.
what?
Wait, okay, I think my shoe size is a 9.5.
There's no way you don't know your shoe size, bro. That's acting. You just acted right there.
This is where are you going? And why are you muted?
I was about to start grade 8, and I was super excited. Mainly because I'd be seeing all my friends again, and hopefully, I would even get to meet some new ones too. Right off the bat, I met 2 new guy friends, John and David. This was amazing because I have always had trouble meeting new friends at school, and this time, I feel so accepted, so comfortable around them. I saw John at school most days, and spent the most time with him before school and during lunch. I thought he
So dudes, welcome back to another board game. Today, Sigils, what are the rules? Speak fast.
Okay, look at this thing right here. If you step on it, it turns to your team color and you get a point. Bam! If you get 20 points, then you get a legendary of your choice along with all the
Yes.
other.
So dudes, welcome back to another board game. Today, Sigils, what are the rules? Speak fast.
Okay, look at this thing right here. If you step on it, it turns to your team color and you get a point. Bam! If you get 20 points, then you get a legendary of your.
This is Fortnite the movie. Right over here we have the battle bus. It's called Fortnite the Rise of Pink Panda. The official, very unofficial Fortnite the movie. Oh, he's nervous.
217. This is Bella.
What's up?
And this is our jammer.
Oh, this is a squad.
Pickaxes.
Okay, apparently Nyx did something. Nyx, what did you do? Oh no. Is he converted? Oh my god, Nick, if you're converted, I love you. I already do. Let's watch this. Are you guys ready for this?
No.
Leave a like if you're ready
Yes.
for this.
Oh, hold on. Hold on.
Do it!
Hold on. I'm ready.
I'm waiting. Hold on, let me... Wait, that's his video. I should do it anyway. This is random reacting to Nyx, reacting to random. Huh. Inception. Wait, okay, thank you. I just want to be really clear here first, guys, but it's for my community. It's for you guys.
For me?
Yes, for you, baby. Yes. We're actually able to get a question mark in your name. So,